Did you know the Lamborghini brand, a name synonymous with luxury and speed, has a fascinating history? 1. Established in 1963, Lamborghini was born out of Ferruccio Lamborghini's desire to create a refined grand touring car, a stark contrast to the noisy, rough-riding vehicles of the time. 2. The iconic Raging Bull logo represents Ferruccio Lamborghini's star sign Taurus and his passion for Spanish bullfighting. 3. The Lamborghini Miura, launched in 1966, is often credited as the first supercar with a rear mid-engined two-seat layout. 4. Lamborghini's model names often reference famous fighting bulls, staying true to Ferruccio's love for the sport. The Lamborghini Veneno, launched in 2013, was one of the most expensive cars in the world, priced at $4 million. Now you're 5 facts richer about the legendary Lamborghini. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights.